In your NCRT, only two exercises are there from in the lines and angles chapter, right? Right? Or three exercises are there.
Ma'am,
Please
I'm
let
not
me.
sure.
Are you having NCRT?
Yes, ma'am. But
Check
I
it.
have an old book, and there are some exercises that are removed in the new book.
And you
Ma'am,
are
there are
having.
only two exercises.
Yeah, there are only two exercise. So this question still we have not discussed. Suppose we are having, I'm writing the question over here. I'll give it to you to try for now in the given figure, and then we will be discussing it. So in the given figure, if AB is parallel to CD, angle APQ is 50 degree and angle PRD is 127 degree. Find X and Y. Let me draw the figure over here. We have not discussed this question, right? Let me draw the figure, then you will be able to identify. AB is there, then here CD is there. Yeah. Please find X and Y from here. Given angles are, I have written the angles which are given over here, and it is also given that AB and CD are parallel lines. Please do it.
Ma'am, APQ is alternate angle to Y.
X or Y, Sazia. X
Ma'am,
or Y.
Ma'am, Y.
Y with what?
Ma'am, 50 degree.
See, AB and CD, if I will draw it separately, AB and CD are parallel. Okay, and there is a transversal like this, and you are saying this angle and a portion over here, this angle will be same. Is it so?
Or we can say it is a linear pair.
No, now it is not linear pair because can you see we are not touching the straight line AB. We are not able to complete the straight line AB. You are
Yes,
guessing it correctly, but please be clear. Is it Y?
no, ma'am, it is actually X.
It is actually X. Actually, it is X. This angle and this angle are alternate interior angle. This is a transversal line. Can you see it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if that is 50, X will be 50 degree because AB is parallel to CD. And angle APQ is same with angle X. Both are pair of alternate interior angle. X we got it. Now think about Y.
Then, ma'am, X has to their co-interior angle.
Which two are co-interior?
Ma'am, X and Y.
Yeah. No. No, no, no. No. We cannot say that. If we will be taking a pair like this X is completely, can you see I'm touching the line? This is completely X. But Y is only this much. Only this much is Y. Total is not Y. Can you see it, Sazia?
Yes, ma'am.
If total will be Y, then yeah, we could have said that co-interior angle pair we are getting. But now we are not getting co-interior angle pair. Because Y is only this much. This much.
Okay, ma'am.
Anyone getting it? What can be the possibility? Irshad, Ayan, Farhan.
127 degrees equals to Y.
Let me draw it separately one more time, or let me highlight it over here. Just a second. This and this. This is a transversal. When you are saying this complete is 127, see I am taking the angle and touching one of the parallel line. And there also I will try doing so, then only I can say that angle is 127. But there again Y is not touching. See, when you will be saying co-interior angle or maybe alternate interior angle, when you are having a pair of parallel line, when there is a transversal and the angle you are drawing the angle and you are touching the parallel line. You started drawing the angle and you are touching the another parallel line. This is how we will be taking the angle. But here if you will focus on angle Y, that is not touching the other parallel line. Can you see? Only this much
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Y. It must start from there, start from here, start from here, here, and just touch touch the line AB. Then only we will be saying what I'm trying to say. Let me explain it. When we are having parallel line, when there is a transversal like that, this complete is 127, and there if you will take only this much is Y. So we cannot say Y and 127 is alternate interior angle. We cannot say. Can we? One thing, one
No, ma'am.
concept is there which we can say. Y plus something and 127 is alternate integral. Y plus what?
Y plus 50.
Exactly. We can say that Y is not alternate interior with 127, but y plus 50. Y plus 50, this complete angle is equals to this complete angle, pair of alternate interior angle. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Getting it? From here we will be getting the value of y. Okay? Do it.
Yes.
Let's do it. When we are having two lines. Okay, let me write it over here only. Here we are supposed to find the x value and y value. So what we will do, we will say that angle, this angle 50 degree. Okay. Name of that angle is angle APQ is equals to x. Okay. Alternate interior. Therefore, x is equals to 50 degree. Now, one of the way of finding y is this one. There are so many ways, and one way is this one, that y plus 50 degree is equals to 127. Again, alternate interior. And here we will write it, AB and CD are parallel with each other, and transversal, which we are taking as a transversal, this time we are taking PR as a transversal, and PR is transversal. Okay. Are you getting it? Everyone getting it? In the first case, we will be writing AB and CD are parallel. Just a second, no. Just a second. Everyone getting it? How to prove it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yeah, this is how we'll be proving. Now the next question. In the given figure, it's chart. The previous one is clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
PQ and RS are two mirror placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at B. The reflected ray moves along the path BC and strikes the mirror RS at C and again reflect back along CB. Prove that AB is parallel to CD. This is a mirror, okay? PQ is a mirror and here RS is also a mirror. This is how we are having the figure. Read the question carefully. Try to understand. Definitely we will be discussing it. But at first try to understand it. What exactly the question says. And the figure. Here I am adding one hint for you. Maybe if you will get it, then you can start solving also. Hint is angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection. Okay, this concept came from physics. We will be using it over here. First, read it very carefully and let me know whether you are getting it or not.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am, can we draw PQ and RS vertically also?
yeah, we can draw. Are you able to understand at least what exactly the question says?
Yes.
Okay, here we are having PQ and RS. These two are mirrors parallel to each other. PQ and RS, these two are mirrors. Okay, no worries. These two lines are parallel with each other. PQ and RS are parallel with each other. Now, incident ray AB. Incident ray AB is the incident ray. This is just incident on one of the mirror. Strike the mirror PQ at B. And reflected from there. See, it is getting reflected. Reflected and make just following the path BC. And now BC works like an incident ray on the mirror RS. See, at first try to understand the scenario that there is a mirror. There is a mirror. On this mirror, you are just a ray is coming, an incident ray is there. Then it is reflecting like this. Okay. Now the reflection which is coming, that is getting incident on one of the mirror, and again it is reflecting from. Getting it? This is how we are having the figure. What we have to prove here, we have to prove that strike the mirror RS at a C and again reflect back along CD. Prove that AB and CD are parallel. We have to prove that this AB and this CD, these two are parallel. We already know that PQ and RS are parallel. We already know that this PQ and this RS, these two are parallel. We know that. Now here we will be using, as I told you, that we will be using the concept of angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. But before that we will be dropping a perpendicular. So we will drop a perpendicular on the line PQ. Okay. Here we will write the construction that drawing the perpendicular, let's say BN on line PQ, and we are drawing a perpendicular like this on the line RS. Let's say this is N. Okay, CM and BN, these two perpendicular we are drawing by ourselves on the line PQ and on the line RS, or on the mirror PQ on the mirror RS, you can say. So let's write the construction. As I said to you that yeah, we can do the construction anytime, which will help us proving whatever is required. So here also we will write it. We will do the construction, which will definitely it will help us. I'll show you how. So what we are doing the construction. Let's draw BN perpendicular to PQ, and we are drawing CM perpendicular to RS. Okay, this two line we have drawn by ourselves. Now hint, in the hint portion I have added that angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. So you can, I am talking about this angle. If you have learned this concept in physics, well and good, you can check it along the perpendicular. This angle of incidence, this angle must be equals to this angle. Okay, angle of incidence, AB is the incident ray, this is the incident ray, and this is the reflected ray. So angle of incident with the perpendicular, okay, is equals to angle of reflection. I'm going to call it this as a angle 1, this as a angle 2, and now I will be saying that angle 1 is equals to angle 2, because angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection. We know it from the physics. Understanding so far, is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So we will be writing it over here, that angle ABN, angle ABN is equals to angle NBC, or we can write angle 1 is equals to angle 1. Okay, in figure we have to mark it properly. We can now the next step will be, we will be writing that we understand that the reflected ray is working like an incident ray. The reflected ray BC is now working working like a incident, we saying angle of incident it is equal to angle of reflection, and this time I am going to say that angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Tell me yes or no. Can we say?
Yes, ma'am.
We will keep it aside, equation 1, equation 2, we will name it and we will keep it aside for a while. Now it is clearly written in the question that PQ and RS are parallel. Yeah, PQ and RS are parallel. These two are a set of parallel lines. PQ and RS, okay, these two lines are parallel with each other. So if you will focus on this two parallel line, you can focus on this as a transversal. Are we getting anything? We will check. Maybe, may not be. Okay. So are we getting anything? So what can we say? We can say that this complete angle will be equals to this complete angle, right? Can we? Can we?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can. So here I am going to write that angle QBC is equals to angle RCB. Okay, alternate interior, and PQ and RS are parallel. And which one is transversal? We are seeing that BC is the transversal and BC is transversal. I'm just trying to explain it over here. I'll be writing it the same thing downside. Okay. So PQ is parallel to RS, BC is the transversal, angle QBC. Angle QBC is equals to angle RCB, alternate interior angle. The two yellow angle clearly visible. It's a pair of alternate interior angle. Now only we have constructed a perpendicular line. This is perpendicular, right? This is perpendicular. So definitely this total angle will be 90 degree. Yes or no? Yes or no? And this is
Yes,
also
ma'am.
perpendicular. This is also perpendicular. So this total angle will be 90 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So
Yes,
let
ma'am.
me wipe it. I'm going to write that. I'm going to write that since we have constructed a perpendicular line, in the construction part we have written that we are constructing perpendicular line. So 90 degree over there, 90 degree over here, we already know that. Okay, suppose this is we are calling it angle X and this is we are calling angle Y. So we can, you just for understanding, angle 2 plus X is 90 degree. And similarly, angle 3 plus y is also 90 degree. So can we say, can we compare this to that angle 2 plus x is equals to angle 3 plus y? Can we? Can we?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can compare it. And x and y, these two are same, right? X and y, these two are same. Here x is equals to y. We have already written alternate interior angle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes,
X
Yes,
and
ma'am.
y already same. So can we say hence 2 will be angle 2 and angle 3 is also same? Can we?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, we can say that. Angle 2 and angle 3 is same. We are getting that angle 2 and angle 3 is same. From equation 1, from 2, we will be able to say that angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, all are just equal with each other. Because we will be able to prove that 2 is equals to 3. That means 1 is equals to 2 and 2 is equals to 3 and 3 is equals to 4. So all are equal with each other. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So far, is it clear? I'm just making the figure one more time over here so that we can just look at the picture. So here we are having RS, incident ray, reflected ray, and like this we have this is B, this is A, this is C, this is D. we have done the construction. A perpendicular line we have drawn, BN and CN. We have named the angle 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Again, I will summarize. Don't worry. Just try to understand each step at a time. Okay. So what we are going to say, that we know that angle NBQ completely it's 90 degree, and angle MCR completely it's 90 degree. Okay, and we also know that this angle, okay, this angle means angle CBQ is equals to angle RCB. These two are alternate interior angles. And hence, therefore you can name it X, you can name it Y. Okay, you can call it X is equals to Y. Therefore, X plus angle 2 is equals to Y plus angle 3, and which implies that angle 2 is equals to angle 3. So far, is it clear to everyone? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, we wanted to prove that AB and CD are parallel line. Let's check, will it help? Will it help us to prove that AB and CD are parallel? AB, CD are two lines, parallel or not, we don't know. Where there is a transversal like this, and if we will be able to say that just a second, parallel line we are having, and BC is a transversal. Now which two angle we will be able to see? If it's same, then yeah, we are having pair of parallel line. Can we say this complete angle and this complete angle, if it is same, then yeah, these two AB and CD are parallel. Can we say?
Yes, ma'am.
Forget about everything. Just focus on
Yes.
this two yellow line. Okay. And yes, we will be able to say this 1 plus 2 is equals to same as 3 plus 4. We will be able to see, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Because all are same. So now we can say that AB and CD are two lines where BC is transversal. We don't know whether lines are parallel or not. We don't know. So far, we don't know it's a pair of parallel line or what. We are just saying we are having two lines. There is a transversal. Now, angle 1 plus 2 is same as angle 3 plus 4. We can see that. From equation number 3, we can say that. From 3, we can say that. If anyone having any confusion that why am I writing 1 plus 2 and 3 plus 4 are same, please check it. All are equal with each other. If each one's value is k, then 1 plus 2 means k plus k. 3 plus 4 means k plus k. Both are same. Okay, 2k, 2k. So 1 plus 2 and 3 plus 4 are equal with each other. That means alternate interior, and hence AB is parallel to CD. Just a second. Let me share it again. Just a second. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay, just a second. I'm trying to share the screen.
we can see this.
You can see the screen?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can see?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so here we will write that it's a pair of alternate interior angle, and hence AB and CD are parallel. I will give you time to note down everything. Again, let me summarize everything. So here we are having parallel line. We know these two are parallel. Okay. There is an incident ray, there is a reflected ray, and then it is working like an incident on the other mirror and reflected. We are dropping a perpendicular, because we know that angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection. We are using that concept, and then we are saying that angle 1 and angle 2 are same. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 4 are same. This much we have done. Okay, then we are also using the concept of parallel line, that is PQ and RS. This PQ and RS, these two are pair of parallel line. PQ and RS are parallel, so we are focusing on this two parallel line and this as a transversal. If you will focus on that, be careful while taking the alternate interior angle. When you are taking alternate interior angle, you must take every angle starting from the transversal and ending at one of the parallel line. Angle is starting from the transversal and ending at one of the parallel line. Okay, this is how only we are allowed to take the alternate interior angle or any angle. So we are saying that this green angle and this green angle, these two are same. Now we are saying that angle 3 plus green angle, let's say this is x, this is y. We are saying that x is equals to y because it's a pair of alternate interior angle. Now what we are saying that angle 3 plus angle y is equals to angle 2 plus x. Why? Because we have dropped the perpendicular. So both added together must create 90 degree. This one will generate 90 degree and this one will also generate 90 degree, and hence we can compare that. And once you are comparing, you will end up getting 3 is equals to 2. And once you are getting this one, you will be able to write 1, 2, 3, 4. All the angles are same. All are same. And hence we are done with the proof. If 1, 2, 3, 4 all are same, then we can say B is parallel to CD. Because 1 plus 2 and 3 plus 4 both will be equal with each other. Alternate interior angle is same. Hence, AB and CD are parallel. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Getting it? If you are getting, then please copy it. Write the construction. Let me know. I will scroll down. Then you can note down the next part. Just a second. My laptop is running out of battery.
Ma'am. Can you scroll down?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Are you saying anything? Anyone?
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Yes. This much only we are having. This two are alternate interior angle, which I tried writing over here, and hence AB and CD are having. Anyone having any confusion, please let me know. I'll be explaining it one more time. If you are still you are not getting like how to prove it. Anyone having any confusion over here? Are you able to understand what exactly we have to do over here?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you understanding?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
Sazia,
ma'am.
you got it.
Yes.
Irshad,
Yes, ma'am.
you got it. Ayan,
Yes, ma'am.
got it. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, Farhan, you
Yes, ma'am.
got it. So we are done with this concept. Okay. Lines and angles chapter, if you have understood, there is a chapter that is triangle which is waiting for us. We will be taking that chapter, but This chapter must be crystal clear to